Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have already subscribed to my channel, then thank you, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I will show you how I do my easy and quick glam makeup. First I applied my primer all over my face and then use my foundation and blend it with the beauty blender. To set the foundation, I used my Studio Fix face powder and then I did my eyebrows. To give little glamour, I have used blush and highlighter. Highlighter is always my favorite. Highlighter gives skin a brighter and dewy glow. It's also a light reflecting product. Today I applied 2 highlighter for better glow. I have used a matte liquid lipstick. In this makeup, lipstick plays a vital role. After that, I did contour and use mascara to make my eyelash bold. Finally, I applied setting spray all over my face to set the makeup for longer stay. So that's my final look for tonight's potluck dinner party. Now we are at my friend's house. It's a new house that they bought recently. They did very good job on decorating their house and I really liked it. That's why I am sharing this video so you might like and get some ideas how to decorate house. This is the dining place and on the right is kitchen and living room followed by. We are waiting for our friends to arrive. It's a potluck party so everyone will make and bring some dishes. We took some pictures with the Christmas tree. She decorated the tree with lots of Christmas ornaments. This tree has increased the beauty of their home significantly. Our item for today's dinner are Indo-Chinese shrimp fried rice, orange chicken, Chinese vegetable, fish chow mein, some sweet and chocolate chip muffin. Everyone is serving themselves. All the dishes were very delicious and mouth-watering. Kids also enjoyed the food. After dinner, we did some chit-chat. Also, the kids played a lot. They were running all over the house. Kids were jumping off the ground from stairs and climbing again. This house has 3 bedrooms. Now I will show you the bedrooms. This is the guest room. It's very nice and cozy. The entire house has very nice and classic paintings. My friend also did some of them. This is a coffee. Your encouragement. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye.